Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, keeping it really simple, another kind of midweek special. We're going to do some tomato tuna pasta sauce. I've got some spaghetti right there, as you can see. Really easy. Nice bit of chili in there, bit of kick. Let's go and take a look at these very simple ingredients. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using for this. Really simple. 1 can of tomatoes there, they're whole. We're going to chop them as I put them in roughly. Onions and tuna. The tuna is like the same size as, a kind of regular can. Not the small one, a regular kind of large one. And as you can see, roughly the same amount of onions to the tuna. Tablespoon of chopped garlic. Here I've got about 200 grams of tomato paste or puree. 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. You could be using something different if you want, like a mixed Italian herb or basil or something like that. And then 1 heaped teaspoon there of chili. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. And I've got my pasta there. I'm using some spaghetti already cooked. Really simple. Let's go to the cooker. Okay, so we're going to need a pan or like a skillet or something. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using an olive oil maybe if you wanted. Let's get our onions and let's drop them in along with our garlic. Now I've chopped mine. You can slice it up if you want. Really simply, medium heat, 3 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. There you go, that's just 3 minutes. These onions are starting to soften a little bit. Garlic's starting to go a little bit golden brown. And so at this point we're going to add our tuna. Our canned tuna, in that goes. Now this tuna comes with oil. You get some that come with water, oil, up to you. We're now going to add in that chili, that nice amount of chili powder. Our dried herb, which today is oregano. We're going to get some salt in the mix, along with some black pepper. I'm going to cook this again for about another 3 to 4 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. This is coming together really nicely. It's at this point we're now going to drop in that 1 can of plum tomatoes. As you can see, they're whole. Just going to roughly chop them. You could be using a kind of smooth passata on this if you wanted. We're now going to add that tomato puree or tomato paste into the mix. If you wanted, think about some fresh chili in here or some fresh chili flakes. If you want to go extra spicy, think about some other veg. You might want to throw a few shrooms in here or something like that. Maybe some black olives or green olives. We're keeping this nice and simple. We're going to lower the heat now. We're going to let this go for 5 to 6 minutes. And it's done. Okay, off goes the heat. Now we're trying to make this nice and quick, but the cooking of the tomatoes is very important. We need that kind of 6 or 7 minutes to really kind of cook them out. But there you go, check that for salt. It's going to be fine for me. If you wanted maybe a bit of parsley in there or something. With spaghetti or with any pasta actually, delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we will see you soon. Lots of love.